Hi friends, so today we will be checking how to do arithmetic operations in DataWeave. So basically I have opened the DataWeave playground, and here as many of you will be knowing, this left hand side will be our payload, this middle one will be our script in DataWeave whatever we'll write, and the last one will be the output. So I'll just modify this payload. Okay, so I'll delete this message. I will put number 1 colon 10, number 2 colon 5, right? So now I would like to do an addition operation. So payload dot number 1 plus payload dot number 2. So here we can see that 10 plus 5, it is giving us 15. Now again, if you want to do subtraction, you can do it like this and say minus, and you will get 5 over here. So 10 minus 5, it will have 5. Now multiplication, if you want to do, then 50, you can check it over here. And at the last, division, right? 10 by 5, 2.0. So this is how we can basically try out the arithmetic operations in DataWeave. Thank you.